Listen up, you lot. Your liver works bloody hard, filtering out all the rubbish you throw into your body. It's about time you gave it a break and showed it some love. Join me as I take on the challenge of making the top 10 healthy recipes that cleanse your liver. Can I whip them up and feel amazing? Eating a healthy diet is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver, and that's what we're going to explore today. We're talking about real food, not some Ponzi detox fad. Get ready to ditch the processed crap and embrace fresh, vibrant ingredients that will have your liver singing your praises. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to make 10 simple, delicious recipes that will help cleanse and revitalize your liver. We're talking about real food, packed with flavor and nutrients. So get your aprons on, and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling milk thistle tea. This isn't your average afternoon tea, no, this is serious stuff. Milk thistle is a powerful herb that's been used for centuries to support liver health. It's packed with a compound called silymarin, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your liver from damage. Now, making this tea is as easy as boiling water, which, let's be honest, even you lot can manage. Grab yourself some milk thistle seeds. You can find them at most health food stores, and bring a cup of water to a boil. Once it's bubbling away like a volcano, add a teaspoon of the seeds and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. While that's brewing, let me tell you, this tea isn't going to taste like a sugary abomination from a can. It's earthy, slightly bitter, but trust me, it's bloody good for you. Once it's done simmering, strain out the seeds and have yourself a cup of this liver-loving goodness. You can drink this tea daily, preferably in the morning or before bed. It's a great way to start or end your day, giving your liver a helping hand. Remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver, and a happy liver means a happier you. Next up, we're ditching the sugary drinks and making ourselves a refreshing citrus detox water. This is so simple, even you lot can't mess it up. Citrus fruits like lemons and limes are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps your liver do its job properly. Now grab yourself a pitcher of water and let's get squeezing. Slice up a lemon and a lime and give them a good squeeze into the water. Don't be shy, we want all that juicy goodness in there. You can even add a few slices of orange or grapefruit if you're feeling adventurous. This detox water isn't just good for your liver, it's also incredibly refreshing and hydrating. It's the perfect alternative to sugary drinks which, let's be honest, are doing your liver no favors. You can sip on this throughout the day, keeping yourself hydrated and your liver happy. It's a simple, easy way to give your body a break from the processed crap and embrace natural, healthy goodness. Right, let's get serious about this liver cleanse with a green smoothie that'll knock your socks off. We're talking spinach, kale, lemon juice, all the good stuff that'll have your liver doing a happy dance. Now don't turn your noses up at the thought of spinach and kale. This smoothie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for liver health. Plus it tastes bloody fantastic. Grab your blender and chuck in a handful of spinach, a handful of kale, a banana for sweetness, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a cup of water. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and creamy like a green velvet dream. This smoothie is best enjoyed fresh, so get it down your hatch and feel the goodness coursing through your veins. It's a fantastic way to start your day, giving your body a nutrient-packed boost and your liver a helping hand. Now let's talk about beetroot. This vibrant vegetable isn't just for pickling, no, it's a bloody good liver cleanser too. Beetroot is packed with antioxidants and fiber, which helps support healthy digestion and detoxification. For this salad, we're keeping it simple. Roast some beetroot until it's tender and sweet, then let it cool slightly before chopping it into chunks. Toss it with some fresh rocket, crumbled goat cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. The sweetness of the beetroot, the peppery bite of the rocket, the tangy goat cheese, and the sharp balsamic vinegar. It's a flavor combination that'll have your taste buds singing. This salad is not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. It's a great way to incorporate more beetroot into your diet and give your liver the love it deserves. Next up, we're warming things up with a turmeric golden milk that's as good for your soul as it is for your liver. Turmeric is a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now to make this golden elixir, we're going to start by making a turmeric paste. In a small saucepan, combine a quarter cup of turmeric powder with half a cup of water and a pinch of black pepper. Bring it to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring constantly until it forms a thick paste. Once your paste is ready, you can store it in the fridge for up to a week. To make your golden milk, simply heat up a cup of your choice of milk. Almond, coconut, or even good old-fashioned cow's milk will do, and add a teaspoon of the turmeric paste, along with a pinch of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Whisk it all together until it's heated through and enjoy this soothing, comforting drink before bed. It's the perfect way to wind down after a long day and give your liver a little TLC. Right, let's get those woks sizzling with a garlic and spinach stir-fry. That's as quick and easy as it is good for you. Garlic is a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your liver and flush out toxins. Combined with the nutrient-rich spinach, this stir-fry is a winner. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in your wok or large frying pan. Once it's smoking hot, toss in a few cloves of crushed garlic and stir-fry for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Don't let it burn, or you'll have a bitter mess on your hands. Next, add a bag of washed spinach to the wok and stir-fry until it wilts down. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a touch of freshness. This stir-fry is a great side dish or a light lunch or dinner. It's packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a great choice for a healthy and satisfying meal. Now let's talk about avocado and grapefruit. Avocado, with its healthy fats and fiber, helps support healthy digestion and detoxification. Grapefruit, with its vitamin C and antioxidants, helps protect your liver from damage. For this salad, we're keeping it simple and refreshing. Slice up a ripe avocado and a pink grapefruit. Arrange them on a plate with some baby spinach leaves and a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds. Drizzle with a simple dressing made with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. The creaminess of the avocado, the tanginess of the grapefruit, and the crunch of the pumpkin seeds make for a delightful combination of textures and flavors. This salad is light, refreshing, and incredibly good for you. It's a great way to incorporate more avocado and grapefruit into your diet and give your liver a healthy boost. Right, let's warm our souls and cleanse our livers with a broccoli soup that's as comforting as it is good for you. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support liver health. To make this soup, start by sautéing some chopped onion and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add chopped broccoli florets, vegetable broth, and a bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the broccoli is tender. Remove the bay leaf and blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Season with salt, pepper, and a dollop of Greek yogurt or a swirl of cream for extra richness. This soup is hearty, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. It's a great way to incorporate more broccoli into your diet and give your liver a healthy dose of nutrients. Now don't let the name fool you. Dandelion Root Tea might sound like something you'd find in a witch's cauldron, but it's actually a traditional remedy for liver health. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and support healthy digestion. Making this tea is as simple as brewing any other herbal tea. Add a teaspoon of dried dandelion root to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain out the root and enjoy your cup of liver-loving goodness. The taste might be a bit earthy and bitter for some, but you can always add a drizzle of honey or a squeeze of lemon juice to sweeten it up. This tea is a great way to support your liver's natural detoxification process and promote overall well-being. Finally, let's finish off this liver-cleansing culinary journey with a carrot and ginger juice that's as refreshing as it is good for you. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your liver from damage. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, helps soothe the digestive system. Wash and chop a few carrots and a small piece of ginger. Juice them using a juicer or blender, adding a splash of water if needed to help it blend smoothly. This juice is best enjoyed fresh, so get it down your hatch and feel the invigorating blend of carrots and ginger awaken your senses. It's a great way to start your day, giving your body a nutrient-packed boost and your liver a helping hand. So there you have it, 10 simple and delicious recipes that will have your liver singing your praises. Remember, a healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being, and these recipes are a great way to show your liver some love. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite liver-cleansing foods are. Don't be shy, share your culinary wisdom, and don't forget to check out my next video for more healthy eating tips. We'll be tackling another culinary challenge, so subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until then, happy cooking!